That's some good dirt right there, y'all. That's what I need. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. Good evening, whenever you watching this. Welcome back to the Harrison Family Homestead. The reason I'm filming in the car is because I had to run and grab some money real quick because I have some field dirt coming to fill in these holes in my yard finally. Been a long time coming. So you know spring is coming, so I'm trying to get my yard and everything situated before it get here. Just coming on here, let you guys know, about to get it going, get it started. All right, let's go. First thing I'm gonna do is move this fence in so I can give him some more driving room. Cause the dirt kind of soft over there on that side. So we're gonna move this in a little. That part's done. Let's go open the gate. He should be here any minute now, guys. I think this him right here. One more road, buddy. Hey, sir, is that you in the truck? Yeah, come down one more. You see that right? You see me standing right here with that gate, the double gate open? Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's all messed up. You got to probably swing pretty wide in here because it's a car in the driveway, but you can get around it, I'm pretty sure. Yep, right here. Yep, just swing around. You can come through. You follow me. All right, y'all, there he goes. Uh-oh, ground kind of soft. It's good. Yep. That's some good dirt right there, y'all. That's what I need. Get that good old dirt. This is for anybody asking how much dirt this is. This is 16 yards That's 16 yards of dirt. That's $30 a yard, just so you guys know. Plus you got to pay a delivery fee. But that's an absolute great deal for the type of dirt that I'm getting right there. I'm hoping that is enough, but we'll see. All right. I gotta sign anything? No, sir. I appreciate you. Yes, sir. You can go out the same way. Good stuff right there. I'm gonna go close this gate real quick, and then we'll be back to check out that dirt. I'm excited. Okay, guys, the weekend got a little busy, so I couldn't take care of outside when it comes to leveling out the ground and all that good stuff. But it's Monday. I got the time now, so we're gonna go out there and get hot. To get started, I gotta try to see. I got a slight issue with my mini skid steer where it's jumpy. So I looked inside the engine compartment and I had a hydraulic line that was loose. So I'm assuming and hoping that's the issue. But other than that, I hope that's it. Let's get some hydraulic fluid in this thing, crank it up, make sure we're good to go, and then we're gonna go get started on this yard. So I fixed that leak. I don't think it's leaking anymore. Let me make sure. I'm quite sure it's not leaking anymore. It's brand new, so I don't know why heck it's got hydraulic leaks already. But, you know, it is a Chinese piece of equipment. So that gives you an idea. We get some hydraulic fluid in there. I'm hoping that that's the problem. If not, we'll figure it out. See if it's something else. All right, I hope that's it. Let's crank him up, ride him around a little bit. Make sure we're good to go. Go ahead and top it off with some fuel. I put 3/4 fuel in there. I'm gonna crank this thing up and make sure I ain't got no hydraulic leak. Okay. That looks fine. It seems all right now. Let's go get our job done. All right. I'm gonna go over here and we're gonna talk about what I need to do or what I'm gonna try to do. Okay, let's go over here and look at what I think I need to do or what I'm gonna try to do, and hopefully it works out, because I only have 16 yards of dirt. It may seem like a lot, but in reality, it's not when you're trying to do what I'm trying to do, trying to level out an entire yard. We're gonna do what we can do with what I got, because it's really expensive. That was 16 yards, that's $580 just for that one truckload. Now, if I need to get more truckloads, you can see that that can get quite expensive. I'm gonna try to do what I can with this one truckload. Hopefully I don't have to do this again, but it's a possibility that I might, because I have some massive yard holes in the yard. The camera may not do it justification, but I mean, hopefully you can see it and see what I'm talking about. Let's go. This part right here is not too bad, but I am gonna put some topsoil over here because I don't like this. You see this red dirt? That's crap, right? That's red clay. And grass, it's just not gonna grow on it, right? Unless you putting like a ryegrass on there, and ryegrass is okay to put down if you want to get a foundation going, because ryegrass is annual and it only grows one time and it gives you a good foundation. That may be a possibility over here, but we're trying to avoid that altogether. I'm trying to put some topsoil, put some real grass seed down, Bermuda, centipede, you know, the good stuff, and get it going the first go around instead of trying to, like, you know, do it in sessions. This part here is pretty level, but it's red clay dirt. And if you can see this, let me see. This right here where the water line is at from the road, as you can see, hopefully you can see it, it's a massive ditch right through here where the ground has settled. And that's a big loop. It's a big dip in there. So definitely some scoops right in here. All of this land is not level at all, so it kind of sucks. This spot right here, where you can see that brown spot, that's where water sets. Over there. And my main part of the yard is right here. This is horrible. This right here is the level ground. And man, I tell you, that's a daggone, from that to that, that's a good 6 to 7 inch drop, you know? And I have that right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. It's just horrible. So for this one, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the mini skid steer and try to level it out the best I can first before I use that topsoil. As you can see, like some of it's kind of mountain type. It's got a little slope. So I then try to level it out some, fill in these holes, and then come in with the topsoil and go from there. I mean, I'm no expert at this, but I gotta do something. I gotta try to get it somewhat decent because this is horrible. And when it rains, it floods the entire yard, and it just don't look good. And for me personally, I just can't deal with it. So we're gonna try to fix it. All right, let's get hot. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this in 2 videos. One video is gonna be my regular video where I speed things up, and you know, everybody don't wanna watch this. But then I think I'm gonna put another video on there for those who like to watch things like this. They think it's satisfying. I'm just gonna let it play. If it take me an hour or 2 hours, whatever, right? I'm gonna put that on there too, because why not? I'm gonna start over here. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is start over here where this ditch is at. Fill that in first, and then I'm gonna come over here and mess with that, because that's gonna take some leveling out. That over there just need backfill. Let's go over here first. It might take a long time, but you know what? I'm retired. I ain't got nothing to do. So, this is my satisfaction right here. I'm okay with this. Absolutely. No problem. Having fun on my mini skid steer. We're gonna try this follow me track one more time. It's not working like I wanted to. But let's see if we can get it to do it. But as I was saying, this is, for me, I enjoy doing this, guys. I can say this. It may be a little mini skid steer, but it sure do beat the hell out of doing this by hand. I can say that. Right? Having fun, guys. Just retired on Friday. Now we get to get some work in on the homestead. I got some fishing in yesterday. Didn't get to catch much. But I throw some lines in. I guess that's all that matters, right? But I was going to stay out there longer. Yesterday it was so cold. My hands started to freeze up on me. I was like, all right, forget it. I was only out there about an hour. It seems like my camera is doing like it's supposed to now. Follow me mode. The only thing about this skid steer, like works perfectly fine, but it sucks slow as dirt. So if you guys know how to make it just a little bit faster, let me know in the comment, because it's so slow. I think it's like, I can walk faster than this thing, but it's about walking speed. But I wish it was like twice that, because it's really slow. I could turn it up a little bit, but it not really go too much faster. So guys, tell me, I know a lot of girls don't care about this, but hey guys, what do you guys think about this mini skid steer? I think I paid a little over $7,000 for it. Tell me, would you do that or not? You know? I done have $30,000 or $40,000 for a skid steer, and on top of that, that's a used skid steer. I'd rather pay $8,000, give or take, for a brand new one. It's got a smaller bucket on it, but it's not that much smaller. And it's mine, it's paid for. And it works just fine for what I need. I just need it for stuff around the homestead. I don't need nothing bigger, you know? For what I need around the garden, you know? Things like this. That's all I need. Better than a wheelbarrow. It's better than shoveling it. And I got just like little tools, you know, to help me out around here. I definitely get my money's worth with this thing. But hey, you know, it is what it is. Like I said, definitely beats shoveling. I don't mind labor, but you know, this would be super labor intensive if I had to do this by hand. 16 yards with a shovel and a wheelbarrow? Nah, I'm okay. I'll put a little bit of music to this thing and let it go. I have this app where I can turn this volume down on a mini skid steer. You still can hear it, but it'll actually focus on my voice. So you won't hear the mini skid steer as loud as it really is. So it's a really cool feature. Some of you might ask how I plan on like leveling this out. I have a grader thing that I got from Amazon. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna pull that out after I do this and put that on video as well. It's a grader that I got from Amazon. It's a little tool that you attach to either the back of this or back of a riding lawnmower, which I'm gonna use, and it helps you level out your yard. Oh, it's got some worms in it. Huh. This might work. This dirt right here might work for garden soil as well. It's really good topsoil. This not the cheap stuff. This stuff $30 a yard, you know.
So I'm gonna put piles all over the yard, and then I'm gonna go with my riding lawnmower and spread it out as much as I can. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. If it work, it work. If it don't, it don't. I'm just getting topsoil in some of these holes. I mean, I don't know else how to do it. And then go back behind it with my lawnmower. I'm just gonna spread this whole thing out over the yard and then right and spread it out. That part should be fun. It's definitely time consuming, but it's not hard. It's actually fun. I love operating equipment. So for me, this is fun and I'm getting work done. I might here in a minute bring the camera on board so you guys can see how I see it. So I'm just bringing the dirt right here because I don't want all of this red dirt here. Spread this out. I told my wife that once I get this dirt down, ain't no more riding the golf cart on it until I get some grass established. I'm gonna have to go get some do not enter tape, but my kids won't walk on it. Like my kids love to play on this side of the yard. It's the small side of the yard, and I don't understand why. The other side of my yard is bigger than the football field. It really is. It's probably a football field and a half on the other side. But they choose to play on this side. For the life of me, I don't understand that. I don't understand it at all. Like if I was a kid and I had that much yard, I'd have been made myself a football field over there, a soccer field, a baseball field, or whatever. They can. They can do whatever they want, but they want to be over here on this little park, close to the road. And I done told them 100 times, get away from the road. Go over there on that side of the yard. I don't understand. I seriously, y'all, it's a whole football size field over there. Kids, man. You know? You gotta love them. Jesus, they don't understand. Some hydraulics are doing a little bit better. I think it might have a little bit of air in the line, so it's kind of jumpy sometimes. But for the most part, I can tell that what I did fixed it. So that's a good thing. What kind of music y'all like? So if I do this again, I can put that kind of music on the channel. So when I'm doing videos like this, you guys can hear the kind of music you want. Or you can just turn your own music on and let it play. Put it on mute. Or you can just shoot the shit with me. Oh, Mr. Retiree. Mr. DD214. I should take that title. Pretty sure somebody got it already. But yeah. Let me take some off the top. I'm gonna go right in there to the top. Bring this mountain down a little bit. I don't know how much this thing will lift, man, but it's pretty impressive. I'm very impressed with the what this little thing can do. This thing picked that whole if you're looking back on one of my channels, this thing picked up that daggone chicken coop. That chicken coop about 500 or 600 pounds. And it picked it up pretty easy. I was like, okay, little mini skid steer. I'm putting a lot of dirt over here, y'all, because I want to cover up this red crap. Well, the guys been staying tuned to watch the whole long channel. I'm retired now. So I don't really know what to do. after. Yeah, after retirement. Like for me, I don't have to work if I don't want to because I retired my CW2, right? In the military, that's not the highest rank you can get. Being a one officer is not definitely not the highest paid. But I can tell you what, there's enough money where I don't have to work again unless I don't want to. And there goes my camera, not following me again. Good thing I caught it. Man, this camera, man, it's getting on my nerves a little bit, y'all. Like, you do what I asked you to do. That camera is quite expensive. Like, you need to do what you say you can do now. I'm gonna go see if I can find a attachment real quick so I can hook the camera on this so you guys can watch as well. I think I got attachment in there that I can attach to the handle of that so y'all can follow me and stop looking at what I'm doing from a distance and do it with me close up. Okay, let's see if this will work. All right, let's get that first person view. First person view. I'm gonna put one more over here. And then we'll work on the other side. I'm gonna leave this video on here, but I think it's pretty shaky. If it is, I'll just leave a little bit here and edit it out. I'm gonna go back to the tripod. I think it's a little too shaky. I don't know what's up with this cameraman today. Like, it don't want to do what it's supposed to do. You would think for a camera that costs nearly $1,000 that it would do what it's advertised to do. I mean, it gives me good quality videos, y'all. It do. Jesus Christ. The follow me mode, look, it's not even doing it already. Lord, have mercy. I don't know why it's not doing the detection follow me mode. Maybe somebody in DJI should come on here and tell me why it can't follow me around my yard, which is very simple to do. Like, it says detecting, but I'm standing right in front of it. What the heck do you need to detect? Jesus. Like, you gotta see my face? Follow me. Oh my Lord, have mercy. This is like raw and uncut shit, y'all. Like the shit I gotta deal with. Trying to shoot videos. I don't even shoot videos for monetize. I shoot videos for you guys. Monetizing is just a perk. This is what I do every day anyway. So why not record it? You know? Somebody told me that in order to like another way to level my yard out to till the whole thing. My issue with that is that the ground is already way too soft. If I till it up, then that's just gonna make it even softer. And I won't be able to drive on this grass. I won't be able to do anything for a very long time until that settle. And I definitely don't want to do that. So I think the best thing is to try to like level this thing out the best I can, to my knowledge. Try to get it to slope as much as I can. Go from there, y'all. I mean, I really don't know what else to do. So I got some little high ground that I'm gonna try to like cut into and get that dirt and fill it in some of these low spots before I use this field dirt. Really don't know what else to do. Try to get it looking a little bit better and then do it little by little until I get it the way I want it. Because it can be expensive. I can tell you that much. So let's go over here. I don't know how much battery we got. Running out of battery. I know that. Now that I got that 16 yards of dirt spread all over the yard, now we're gonna take the grader and try to like smooth it out all throughout this side of the yard. Is it enough dirt? No. Is it gonna be good for right now? Yep. Until I can figure out another way, or if I can get somebody that I know that, you know, friends and family and stuff like that has a machine that I can grade this thing pretty straight. Until then, this is what I got. So let's go put the grader together, hook it up to the back of the lawnmower, and get started. Hey. Okay, let's hook it up. I'm quite sure I'm gonna have to add weight behind it, but we'll see. Had to use the pen they gave me because my pen won't work. Quick release pen. So let's see how this do. Need weight. I'm gonna go get some rock. I got 3 bricks on the back of that. I'm gonna strap it down real quick. All right, let's get to work. See if it'll work. Yep, we're just fine.
know this is a long video. Well, not for you guys. I've been here all day since this morning. That's what I got done so far. Just keep driving and keep driving and keep driving until you try to get it leveled out. There's some spots that's pretty bad still, but I think it did a whole lot better than what it was, y'all. A lot better. I got 16 yards down in here to fill in the holes. You can see 16 yards don't go a long way. That's what we got. I'm gonna go over here and spread these out right here, and then we'll be finished for the day. My tire just went flat. I hope it's not a hole in it. My tire just went flat on me. Nope. Ma'am, I don't know if I need a tube or what. Damn. Yeah. What? What you do? The whole yard. And you gonna run over the damn tripod. Girl. And you broke my tripod.
Yeah.
Did it fall?
I ain't bringing the camera down.
That's lucky. Here.
Women drivers. All right.
Let's go check on the manager.
Well, I guess that's gonna conclude this video. I'm gonna do a small walk around. It's only like one spot that I gotta level out. I could do it with the skid steer. But probably not on video. She just broke my tripod and running it over. This is a long video for some people who want to watch it. This is a big job that I got done today. Big job. Not quite finished. I still got some dirt I need to spread out. Make sure I didn't turn my lawnmower up. See if I can get this thing to move. Damn. That sucker sitting on the ground, boy. Well, it did what I wanted to do. I'm glad it happened at the end, the last 5 minutes. I just didn't get to finish this little area over here. I just didn't get to finish this area right here. There's a little mound right there that I was trying to level out, spread the dirt out over the backyard. As you guys can remember earlier in the video, this is all red dirt. So now I got a good amount of topsoil and try to smooth everything out. It's not perfect, y'all, by any means. This is what I did today. Big job. Hopefully it helps me out. It'll help me out when I throw my seed down. So what I'll do is I'm gonna fix my tire on that lawnmower. And before I throw seed down, I'll go over the entire yard again. You know, get the dirt all ruffled up. Throw some seed down right before it rained.
and see what we can get. We're gonna see if we can get some grass out here. It's still not level like I want it, but it's gonna have to be. I came back out here and I used my mini skid steer to pull it around, and it is so much better than that riding lawnmower because I was able to put more weight on the back. With the riding lawnmower, I could put 2 to 3 bricks. With the skid steer, I was able to put 4 bricks. So it smoothed it out a little bit better. It pulled up all the weeds and all that crap. Now I got a fresh foundation to get my grass going with. And it's a whole lot more level than it was before. Tell me what you think, guys. I ain't perfect. Hey, it's a start to a beautiful grass. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and hey, share. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.